why I said it's very funny.
The service in Upton has issued a flash.
Wow.
For Southern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Brooklyn in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Staten Island in southeastern New York until 7 p.m.
There it goes.
Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Look at those storms.
Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards, flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Brooklyn and southeastern New York, Manhattan and southeastern New York,
Flash flooding like small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other houses, as well as other core drainage and low-lying areas.
producing heavy rain across the
Some
Warren
locations
area.
that will experience flash flooding include Jersey City,
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Ridgefield, Todd Hill,
Source,
the Vermont
radar.
Narrows Bridge, Midtown
Impact,
Manhattan.
flash flooding of small
Oh, and they
creeks
cut
and
off.
streams,
What the heck?
urban areas, highways,
Nah,
streets.
nah, that's not them cutting off. It's because they're off the air again. Wow, what the heck? Wait for it.
This weather
There they
radio
go,
station
they're off
is
the
temporarily off the air. Please
That's
tune to an
fantastic.
alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov.
Bro, are they always off the air?
This weather radio
Oh, it
station
did
is
update.
temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Here is the regional weather
This
forecast
weather radio
for
station is
northwest New
temporarily off the
Jersey.
air.
Flood watch in
Please
effect from
tune to an
2 p.m. this
alternate radio
afternoon through late
broadcast or
tonight.
visit
Today,
weather.gov for
partly
the
sunny with a
latest
chance of
weather
showers and thunderstorms this morning. Then showers
This
with
weather radio
thunderstorms
station
likely
is
this
temporarily
afternoon.
off the air.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall this afternoon. Locally heavy rainfall possible this afternoon. Not as warm with highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, showers with thunderstorms likely in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the evening. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Cooler with
They're
lows
always off
around
the
60.
air.